Hello everyone, my name is Khush Patel and today in this video we are discussing LeetCode problem number 387, first unique character in string. So basically we are given a string S, find the first non-repeating character in it and return its index. If it doesn't exist, return -1. So basically we have to return a character from the string which is non-repeating and also first in the string. Here are some examples. So in the example one, output is 0. So basically our first character L is non-repeating in this string. T character T is also non-repeating, but it is not the first character. In the example 2, you can see L is repeating here. O is also repeating here. V is non-repeating character in this string. It is also first non-repeating character. So we will output it as a 2. If here any character, here all character are repeating, so we will return -1. Now let's try to solve this. Firstly, if we have a string with a size of 0, then we will return it as -1. So let's try to write condition for that. Okay, so for this question, we are solving this by counting every character's frequency. And as you know, the best way to count frequency is using unordered map. So let's try to solve it. Firstly, we will save every character of the string, and then second in integer, we will save its frequency. We will name it as in this loop. We will count every character's frequency. After counting every character's frequency, we will return it. So for that, if after counting every character's frequency, we can make another loop where okay. So if any character in the string, any character is non-repeating, then we will return -1. Let's try to run this and test our example cases. Our This was wrong. Let's try to run it again. Okay, so as you can see, our all the example cases are solved here. Let's try to submit it. Okay, so as you can see, it beats 3.49% of the solution and uses 8 millisecond of runtime. We can decrease the runtime by using one loop. We can see that solution in next video. Thank you for watching this video.